Think about it. Whether you're a small startup trying to establish credibility or a large enterprise managing hundreds of daily interactions, every call counts. You want your customers to recognize your business, feel secure answering your calls, and have a seamless experience. And on the flip side, you need to be able to quickly identify important incoming calls from potential leads, existing clients, or critical partners, filtering out the noise of spam and unwanted solicitations. This brings us to one of the most fundamental features of any modern business phone system: caller ID. It's a seemingly simple concept, yet its implications for how businesses operate and communicate are profound. From boosting answer rates to enhancing customer service, caller ID plays a pivotal role. But with so many communication platforms out there, a common question arises. Does RingCentral, one of the leading cloud-based communication solutions, have caller ID? And if so, how does it work, what are its capabilities, and how can businesses leverage it to their full advantage? Today, we're diving deep into the world of RingCentral's caller ID features. We'll explore not just whether it exists, spoiler, it absolutely does, but also the intricate ways it empowers businesses to manage their inbound and outbound calls more effectively. We'll talk about how you can customize your outbound caller ID to display your company name, how to screen incoming calls, and even how RingCentral helps combat those pesky spam calls. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how RingCentral's caller ID can transform your business communication, making it more professional, efficient, and secure. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. First things first. Yes, RingCentral absolutely offers robust caller ID functionality. It's a core feature of their platform, designed to provide clarity and control over your calls. Whether you're using the RingCentral phone app on your desktop or mobile device, or even a compatible desk phone, caller ID is integrated seamlessly. For outgoing calls, RingCentral gives you significant control over what recipients see. This is crucial for branding and ensuring your calls are answered. You have several options. You can choose to display your direct phone number, which is often the default. This is great for individual agents or employees who want their personal business line to be visible. But what if you want to present a unified company identity? RingCentral allows you to set your company's main number as the outbound caller ID. This is particularly useful for sales teams, support departments, or any scenario where you want callers to associate the call with your organization as a whole, rather than an individual extension. Imagine a potential client seeing your company's name pop up on their screen. It instantly builds trust and recognition. Beyond just the number, RingCentral also supports caller ID name, or CNAM. This means that when you make an outbound call, your company name can appear alongside your number on the recipient's caller ID display. This is a game changer for businesses, as it provides instant recognition and professionalism. There are some important nuances with CNAM, though. It typically works best with local landline numbers and usually has a 15-character limit for the name, including spaces. Special characters aren't supported, and it might not always display correctly on all mobile carriers, as the receiving carrier ultimately controls the display. However, RingCentral actively works to publish your CNAM to the Centralized Line Information Database, LIDB, in countries like the US, helping to ensure it's widely recognized. What about privacy? If you need to make a call where you don't want your number displayed, RingCentral also gives you the option to block your caller ID. When you choose this, the recipient will typically see unknown or anonymous on their screen. While useful in specific situations, it's generally not recommended for regular business communication as it often leads to calls being ignored. Now let's talk about incoming calls. This is where caller ID really shines in terms of efficiency and security. When a call comes in through your RingCentral system, whether it's to your desk phone, soft phone, or mobile app, the caller ID information is displayed. This includes the caller's phone number and, if available, their name or company name. Why is this so important? Firstly, it allows your team to screen calls. Instead of blindly answering every ring, you can quickly identify who's calling. Is it a known client, a new lead, or is it a number you don't recognize? Perhaps a potential spam call? This immediate insight enables your team to prioritize calls, tailor their greetings, and be better prepared for the conversation. RingCentral also has features that help you manage unknown or unwanted calls. You can set up call screening rules that prompt callers to announce their name before connecting, or even automatically send calls from unknown numbers directly to voicemail. This is a powerful tool in combating robocalls and telemarketers, allowing your team to focus on legitimate business interactions. In the United States, RingCentral leverages the Line Information Database, LIDB, to publish caller ID names for all phone numbers in your account. This includes numbers assigned to the company, specific sites, auto receptionists, individual users, call queues, and more. This broad publishing ensures that your outbound calls are more likely to display your desired name. If the caller ID name isn't listed in the database or supported by the recipient's carrier, they'll usually see the city, state, and the first 6 digits of your phone number. It's also worth noting that some carriers may flag calls without a set caller ID name as spam, making it harder for your calls to reach their intended recipients. For admins, RingCentral offers comprehensive control over caller ID settings across the entire organization. This means an administrator can set default caller ID numbers for users, restrict which numbers can be used for outbound calls, and even manage CNAM for the entire company or specific sites. This centralized management ensures consistency in branding and compliance with company policies. Beyond the basic display, RingCentral integrates caller ID into its broader call management features. For instance, with call logs, you can easily view the caller ID information of both inbound and outbound calls, including the name, number, date, time, and duration. This data is invaluable for tracking communication, following up on missed calls, and analyzing call patterns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.